My biggest fears throughout the whole thing was the cancer, and I wanted to make sure the cancer was gone. So when talking to that surgeon, deciding what kind of surgery I was going to have, the lumpectomy, the mastectomy, or the double, when that decision was made, the decision to do reconstruction right away was really kind of an easy, simple, logical decision for me. My breast would always feel like my own and look like my own and age with me, and just that feeling of knowing that this was going to be a good lifelong decision for me. My family was huge throughout the whole thing. My husband was my solid rock, and it was hard to make some of those decisions, and anyone that knows me knows I can't make decisions, so he was the one that had to be careful about leading me in the right direction, but then standing by whatever decision I made, and that was hard. And of course, my kids, you know, being teenagers and pre-teenagers, there's a lot already going on emotionally in their mind, and for them to see mom go through that is tough. It's so important that you choose the right doctor, and that is where I felt like I got an A+, because the team that UT Southwest puts together is incredible, because you can talk to one doctor, and the next day if you're talking to another one, oh yeah, he's already talked to your surgeon, he's already heard this, and so you know, you feel like they all are together and they're all cheering for you, and they'll listen to you and be able to support you, and very empathetic. It was a tough year. I won't take away from that, because it was a very tough year. I've said I always want it to be in my rearview mirror, and that's where it's at right now.